Welcome back to Driver Training Ltd. Today's topic is meeting traffic. What do we mean by meeting traffic? Meeting traffic is any situation where two directions of traffic cannot comfortably pass at the same time and one vehicle must adjust by slowing, stopping, or giving way. It isn't only about parked cars. Let us show you some examples. It is not just about parked cars. It's about sharing tarmac. Cars parked on the left and the right, cars coming towards us. This is not a meeting situation because the road is wide enough, no one is sharing the same piece of tarmac. Meeting traffic road narrows. No parked vehicles. Road narrows. As the road narrows, there is less space for two vehicles to pass safely. Less space equals less speed. Look, assess, decide, act. Meeting traffic calming. Traffic calming features often narrow the road and create shared spaces. Look early for signs, markings and priority indicators. Adjust your speed and be prepared to give way to oncoming traffic. Meeting traffic arch bridge. Arch bridges can force larger vehicles towards the center of the road. Watch for high-sided vehicles needing extra space through the bridge. Be prepared to slow down or give way. Meeting traffic bus at bus stop. A bus at a bus stop can block your view of the road ahead. Check early for oncoming traffic before moving around the bus. Use the hold back position, then look, assess, decide. Meeting traffic large vehicles. Large vehicles may need extra road space on narrow roads and bends. Watch for them crossing the center line to complete the turn safely. Reduce your speed and be prepared to give way if necessary. Meeting traffic roadworks. Roadworks often reduce the available road space for passing traffic. Look ahead for temporary signs, cones and traffic control systems. Adjust your speed early and be prepared to give way when necessary. Meeting traffic horses. Horses can be unpredictable and may react suddenly to traffic. Slow down early and give the horse and rider plenty of space. Be prepared to stop if the rider signals or the situation requires it. Meeting traffic single-track roads. Single-track roads are only wide enough for one vehicle at a time. Look well ahead for passing places and approaching traffic. Plan early and be prepared to use a passing place to allow others through. Meeting traffic bin lorries. Bin lorries often stop frequently and can block part or all of the road. Look well ahead and plan early for vehicles approaching from the opposite direction. Be prepared to wait, give way, or use available space safely around the obstruction. Meeting traffic skips or obstructions. Skips can reduce the available road width and create a road obstruction. Look ahead early to assess whether there is enough room to pass safely. Be prepared to give way to oncoming traffic if the road becomes too narrow. Meeting traffic parked vehicles. Parked vehicles can reduce the available road space and create a hazard. Look well ahead to identify gaps and plan where you may need to give way. Be prepared to adjust your speed and position to pass safely. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more ADI Part 3 training tips.